Video 41, even more Luts. This might be one of the videos you might want to go to the longer playlist. You're on the short playlist, and we don't have much time to describe the mental model. In top-level constant macros, we've created this new section right here, and we have three groups of constants. We have the L16 indexes that are mapping to an XY value on a 4x4 overlay over a master memory cell. Then down here we have the prefab indexes 0 to 7 inclusively, and they are also mapping to a grid cell on a 4x4, but it's mapping to the top 4x2 on a 4x4 partition of a master memory cell. Then down here, we have the thumbnail cells mapped onto a 4x4 cell somewhere on a master memory cell. And this mapping is a little bit more crazy because the corners right here map to void space. They don't actually map to any valid data, so we're assigning -1s to those sections. And it's a little bit hard, but you can kind of see like a little 3x3 chunk in here. And then you can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 5 cross right here, right? Because there's a 3x3 chunk in the middle and a 5x5 here, 5x5 here. Actually, not a 5x5, a 5x1 and a 1x5, right? Okay, so after we create these constants, we got to use them in a lookup table. So in top-level lookup tables here, we've created this section right here, C49 to C4X or C4Y. We have a little key here kind of explaining what L16, T25, and PF8 are. And this is C49 to C4X. And you can kind of see that we have three different categories of constants here. So the general shape of this should look a lot like this. That is not a coincidence. And same thing for the y-axis. C49 to C4Y, the general shape right here should look a lot like this. And notice that there's three categories. You see how the color coding here has three different colors? That's not a coincidence because there's three different categories of 128 by 128 pixel cells within the data format. What we did previously, footnotes and a whole bunch of footnotes and diagrams and things, and here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you really go here, because I just do not have time on the short playlist to get into any more detail. Source code is here. You can email me here. I am Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO.